Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 Smart Camera Pro. All gracias. Overview. The Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 is a versatile indoor security camera designed to offer comprehensive monitoring with high-quality video, advanced AI features, and seamless integration into the smart home ecosystem. Key features and specifications. Here's a breakdown of its most important features. 1. Video and image quality. 3K QHD resolution. Records video at a very sharp 2880 x 1620 resolution, which is 1.6 times clearer than standard 2K. This allows you to see finer details like the text on a package or facial features clearly. Starlight sensor. A large-sized image sensor, 1.2.7, combined with an f1.4 large aperture. This allows the camera to capture vibrant full-color video even in very low-light conditions, reducing the need for a black and white night vision mode in many situations. HDR, WDR. Wide dynamic range ensures that the image is balanced in high contrast lighting, preventing overexposed windows or underexposed shadows. 2. AI-powered smart features AI human detection. Uses a local AI chip to accurately distinguish between people and other moving objects, like pets or shadows. This significantly reduces false alerts. AI pet detection, specifically designed to recognize your pets and send you notifications when they are active. Auto tracking. When the camera detects human movement, it will automatically pan and tilt to follow the subject's path, keeping them in the frame. 3. Design and mechanics. 360° panoramic view with pan tilt. The camera can rotate 360° horizontally and tilt 180° vertically, providing a complete unobstructed view of the entire room with no blind spots. Built-in status. Light. A physical switch on the camera allows you to disable the indicator light for times when you want the monitoring to be completely discreet. 4. Audio and communication. Two-way audio. Features a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to listen in and talk back to anyone in the room through the My Home Xiaomi Home app. Noise cancellation. Reduces background noise for clearer voice communication. 5. Privacy and security. Physical privacy mode. With a single click in the app, the camera lens will physically rotate to a closed position, physically blocking the view and ensuring your privacy when you are at home. Local and cloud storage. Offers multiple storage options. Video clips can be saved to a microSD card up to 512 GB locally or encrypted in the Xiaomi cloud for safekeeping even if the camera is stolen. 6. Smart Home Integration Xiaomi Home app. The camera is managed entirely through the Xiaomi Home app, where you can view live feeds, review recordings, and adjust settings. Works with Google Assistant to Amazon Alexa. You can use voice commands with these platforms to stream the camera's live feed to your smart displays, e.g. Google Nest Hub, Amazon Echo Show. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment, love to hear what you think.